Small decisions can make a big difference for our planet. Growing your own food means reducing waste. It's an easy way to make an immediate impact on our environment. With AeroGarden, grow fresh herbs, salads, and veggies indoors all year round. Plants grow in water, up to 5 times faster than in soil. There's no mess and no green thumb required. You use just what you need when you need it. AeroGardens are easy to use and come with everything you need to start growing. Just drop in the non-GMO seed pods, which are included with your garden. Add water and plant food and watch them grow. You'll have sprouts in days, be harvesting in just weeks, and enjoying fresh herbs and veggies again and again for months. Feel good knowing that growing plants with hydroponics uses up to 75% less water than a traditional garden. Let AeroGarden do the work. This smart in-home garden system takes the guesswork out of growing, with automated light cycles and simple reminders when your plants need water and food. Help make a positive difference for our planet and your everyday meals by growing fresh produce in your own home, all herbicide and pesticide free. From the plant to the plate, flavor-packed herbs and veggies no longer have to travel. Freshness at your fingertips, all while reducing your carbon footprint. AeroGarden. Always fresh, always local, always in season.